Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got something very different, but the same. So, in the same way, it's very Disney, but this is not an unboxing that we would normally do. Well, okay. It's easier just to show you than explain. So this is the annual gift that you get as a D23 Gold member. I just became one, and we're gonna see what this gift is this year. I've seen some other videos from other years, and there's some there's usually some cool stuff. And we're gonna get into this, and I'm also gonna show you, I got their first quarterly magazine, and I will show you that as well. This is some really cool stuff, and stick around and you can check it out. That's all coming up right now. Okay, so dive into this real quick. So before I open this, let me throw this little screenshot right here. So this is from their website, and it shows the membership. So it's $99.99 for a single person, or what we did is the $129.99 for a family of 4, which it's only one person or 4. There's 5 of us, but they don't have that option, so we just did the 4. So plus shipping for the gift. And then it shows, you know, you get discounts with this, which aren't amazing, but they're, you know, like downtown or Disney Springs, stuff like that. You get invites to exclusive events, and you get the quarterly magazine. There's a few other things. It's very cool. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Ooh, the box is cool. D23 Fantastic Worlds. Oh, and it looks like a bookend. Did I turn that the right way? I did. That's cool. Alright. I guess I'll open it like a normal box. I don't know if you can see it though. Ready? What? That's cool. Let's see if I can. Very nice. Yeah, it is. It's signed by Mickey Mouse and Robert A. Chapek, who is the Chief Executive Officer, Walt Disney Company. Nice. Alright, and then there is a book. Alright, I'm going to do my best. I read at a 2nd grade level. We will see if we can get through this together. I'll put a picture up and make sure I cover up my membership ID right there. Dear Christian Herman, get ready to explore the fantastic worlds of Disney and celebrate all things Disney, Pixar, Star Wars, Marvel, and more with us, and follow D23 members every day. D23 is your official Disney fan club, and we are thrilled to have you as a D23 Gold family member. I can talk. We can't wait for you to enjoy all of the wonderful benefits of the world's only official fan club created for the ultimate Disney fan. I am personally excited to share our 2020 Gold member gift with you. The D23 Fantastic Worlds Adventure Kit. Period. This incredible box collection includes a set of D23 exclusive travel-inspired pins, a custom-designed patch in honor of Disneyland's 65th anniversary, a set of stunning postcards from fan-favorite locations, a set of travel bandanas for you to take on your next Disney journey, and my personal favorite, an incredible, suitable for framing map, incorporating more than 250 fantastic places, vehicles, and characters from Disney and Pixar for you to explore, with 23 hidden Mickeys thrown in for fun. That's cool. Your personalized, newly designed membership certificate and Gold Family membership card are also enclosed. As part of your Gold family membership, you'll also receive our gorgeous quarterly publication, D23, which is so beautifully designed that you will want to proudly display each of them on your coffee table, which we are going to do because I got one and let me tell you, they are amazing. You will see it shortly. D23 has a great lineup of special events and experiences for members all over the country and beyond, including screenings of upcoming and fan favorite movies, unique behind-the-scenes experiences, member mixers, our biannual fan events, the D23 Expo and Destination D, and guided tours of the Walt Disney Studios lot and Walt Disney Archives. That's cool. And remember, your D23 Gold membership entitles you to bring up to 3 guests to select D23 member events. To get the most out of our To get the most out of your membership, be sure to visit d23.com regularly for breaking Disney news, exclusive stories, our calendar of events, special discounts and offers, and more. Our weekly e-newsletter, Fanfare, will make sure that you never miss a beat. And catch the latest on all things Disney, on all things D23 and beyond by connecting with us at D23 on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Are you ready to join us on our magical journey to explore the fantastic worlds of Disney, both real and imagined? We can't wait to share the adventure with you. Welcome to D23, celebrating you, the ultimate Disney fan. Sincerely, Michael Vargo, head of D23, the official Disney fan club. That was a mouthful, and I stumbled my way through it. But I wanted you to get all that information, and I know when I pop these up, it's hard to see them, especially if you're watching on your phone. So I really wanted to read through that. Okay, first thing in here is the map, and I'm going to wait on that because it's big. First thing is my D23 membership card. Very cool. It's got the member number on the back and how long you've been a member. Mine obviously says 2020 because I just started. And it says when it expires. Very nice. I'll put a better boop so you can check that out. Looks really cool too. And it's like plastic, it's not paper. Alright. Then we have a Visit Disneyland USA, the happiest place on earth. So this is a patch, which you won't be able to see because of the glare. So check that out. It's really thick. It's a very nice patch. I will put a better picture in the photo box, boop, so you can check that out. Very nice. Then we have postcards. So they're packaged together and they have this little band on them. And I'll rip it off. I don't want to. Alright, first one. Rocket into outer space and back again. Space Mountain. I'll put a boop. Very nice. It has a super retro look. That's really cool. I think some of these I may actually put in some of these frames that I have, some of these other pictures. These are really cool. Alright. Mary can read this one. Mary, what does that say? Feel the rhythm in beautiful Bye. This is... It has a little information on the back too. It says the Three Caballeros, 1945. I'll put a boop. Very cool. Then we have You Will Love It, We Know It, Cloud City. Star Wars The Empire Strikes Back, 1980. Boop. That is very cool. Treasure Island, X marks the spot for adventure. Treasure Island, 1950. Boop. Nice. Planet X, I Am Groot. Groot's first appearance, 1960. I didn't know that. Boop. Really? Huh. Learn something new every day. Where Everybody Wants to Be a Cat, Paris. The Aristocats, 1970. Pandora, the jewel of the Alpha Centauri star system. Pandora Avatar 2009. Boop. So that is those. And they're very thick cardstock. They're really nice. And they're not super shiny. They're a little bit flatter, which is kind of cool. And it'll photograph easier, and you probably saw that. Alright, next we have 4 bandanas. So because this is the family membership, that's why there's 4. If this was just the regular $100 one, there would only be 1 of these in here. So they look like... that. Adventure is here. Is out here. That's what I said. I was trying not to say adventure is out there, because that's what they say, and it says adventure is out here. And I messed it up anyway, but... might be kind of cool to actually fold one of these and put it on a plush. Something. Very nice. And so, like I said, there's 4 of those. Alright. Whoa. Okay. Let me get the glare off of these. These are some big pins. Holy cow. And they're all double pin backs with Mickey backs on them. So I'm just going to put this up so you can get a good look. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put them up individually because these are really something to check out. They're big. So the first... my arms. The first one I'll put up is Swiss Family Treehouse. Boop. Look at that bad boy. I mean, these... look at how big they are compared to... they're heavy, too. Then we have Tony's Restaurant. Boop. Then we have Bald Mountain. Boop. And Asgard. Boop. And I think my favorite one that's on here is Pizza Planet. And Hawk. So that is awesome. I mean, these are really heavy pins. These are going to be very cool to display. They're just huge. So those are really awesome. I cannot wait to display those. That might be my favorite thing that's in here. And I've got one more thing. I've got the map, but I just wanted to show you the little holder that held the card. It's little hidden Mickeys. How cool is that? I don't think there's anything... nope. But I am going to frame this. That is super cool. Okay, so let's take a look at this map. I can do it, I promise. Holy cow. Okay. Look at the size of that thing. So this... I will try and take a close-up and kind of scan around it for you and boop, throw that up there so you can take a look at it while I'm looking at this. There's references to everything on here. I see the plane from Tailspin. I see the house from Up floating around. I see the Black Pearl. I see just the little truck from Pizza Planet is driving around. Avalor. Prince Eric's Castle. Arendelle. Oh my gosh. There's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. The submarine from that is in here. Pleasure Island, which used to be in downtown Disney. That's got its own little island here. Treasure Island. Land of Symphony. Patch of Heaven Farm. Triple R Ranch, which I believe Triple R Ranch is in the campground in Disney World. There's Zootopia. This is so cool. It's so detailed. You could look at this thing for quite a long time and keep finding new things. There's Eeyore hiding off in 100 Acre Wood. Temple of the Forbidden Eye. So hopefully you got to catch some of that stuff as I panned around on it. Cool. So that is what you get in the yearly gift. Every year it's different. They make them completely different every year. I heard that last year the pins were smaller, but there were 16 of them or something like that. And they always do a different theme to the box. So then, like I said earlier, you get a quarterly magazine, and let me show you the one that came, and it came just maybe a week after I got this, which is just timing. It just happened to be that way, but check this out. So it came, you know it's a good magazine. That must be something that people want to hang on to when it comes in a box like this, because it really did protect it very well and kept the corners from getting smushed. But look at this thing. Wrapped in plastic. It's big. Let me get the shininess off of there for you. So this means so much to me. I mean, like, the fact that I thumbed through this a little bit and checked out some, I haven't had a chance to read anything in it, but I mean, they have pictures of Walt's office in here, and they have stories about it, and they do, you know, little articles about different movies. This one in particular, I really like. It's Then and Now. So it's a picture of Disneyland back then, Disneyland now, the paddle wheeler back then, and what it looks like now. Just so you can see the difference, what changed and what didn't. And they do that with the Main Street, and I mean, it just... This thing is incredible. I will try to put, they even have, look at this. This is all vintage Disney merch. Just to bring back memories of when you were a kid and stuff that you saw or had. There's stuff about the Muppets in here. It's really cool, and I can't wait to read this, and this definitely will end up being a display. And being left out so people can go through it. This is all about somebody who did props for Pirates of the Caribbean. I mean, it's phenomenal. I think I'm most excited for this more than anything, and the fact that you're going to get 4 every year, this means a lot to me. It's so cool to be able to read up on all that kind of stuff. So, this is it. D23, you get invited to the expo, you do all, I mean, like, all that kind of stuff, plus sneak peeks at like movie premieres and all kinds of cool stuff. So like I said, $130 plus shipping for a family of 4, or $100 for a single person, and it's quite a bit of stuff. And when you consider, I mean, honestly, I'd pay $20 just for this magazine, just to have it. So I think it's worth the money. No discount code for this one, because that's way above my pay grade. But if you'd like to check it out, d23.com, I highly recommend it. It's really cool stuff. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, I will put it right here. And if you'd like to click and subscribe to our channel, I'd really appreciate it. The button's right here. I hope you're having a great day.